Welcome to this short video titled, What is a Learning Management or Course Management System? In this course, we will use the two terms synonymously. A course management system should not, however, be confused with a content management system. These are two different systems, as a content management system lacks the administrative features of a course or learning management system. In this video, we will discuss what a CMS is and then explore three major functionalities that allow a CMS to promote good teaching and student achievement. At the conclusion of this session, you should be able to differentiate between learning management systems and content management systems, evaluate learning management systems to determine what LMS would meet the needs of your current situation, and explain the three functionalities of a CMS and describe how the functionalities are handled in a CMS or LMS application of your choice. Let's get started. A course management system is a tool that allows an instructor to post information on the web without that instructor having to know or understand HTML or other computer languages. At Franciscan University, we have chosen to use Blackboard as our learning or course management system. A more complete definition of a CMS is that it provides an instructor with a set of tools and a framework that allows the relatively easy creation of online course content and the subsequent teaching and management of that course, including various interactions with students taking place in the course. A CMS is internet-based software that manages student enrollment, tracks student performance, and creates and distributes course content. In this way, the CMS enables teachers to extend the classroom beyond its traditional boundaries of time and space. We'll look now at three main functions of a CMS. One is authoring and publishing tools. Two, virtual community. And three, data management. As we go through this, I will try to provide examples from our Blackboard system that perform these functionalities. Authoring and publishing tools. These tools allow the instructor to publish files to a section of the CMS for students to download, or simply publish a list of hyperlinks that students can click through to read additional materials online. I think if you go through our course and look at the content folders, you'll see examples where the instructors have put links and files for you to access. Some systems also allow students to upload files, but this functionality is frequently avoided as bandwidth and server space limitations can quickly complicate hosting the CMS. In addition, these tools facilitate the creation and publication of web pages, typically template-driven forms consisting of text and images. An example of that would be the Dr. Chapelier tab on the left-hand side, and you click on that and there's a page. It's a simple web page created very easily without having to know HTML. Although I will say knowing HTML does allow you to do some customization and add a few more bells and whistles into your pages. Audio or video streams may also be accessed through the CMS, usually by means of a hyperlink. For example, this video that you're watching right now is a video stream from YouTube that you've accessed through clicking on a link in Blackboard in the LMS or CMS. Audio streams would work the same way. Virtual community. Every CMS enables instructors and students individually and as a group to communicate online. Our examples here would be the wikis that we have, the blogs that we've used, the threaded discussion board, the email application. All those things allow us to communicate with one another online. So that's an important part of a CMS. Communication can be synchronous, real-time, such as our WIMBA sessions in our WIMBA classroom, or it can be asynchronous, as in a threaded discussion, blog, wiki, email, where students participate at their convenience. And finally, the third functionality is data management. For students to access the course material, the CMS must allow for the creating of classes, as well as the assigning of one or more instructors and a number of students to that class. Most platforms also allow students to register for a class online rather than being registered by a teacher or system administrator. This form of registration may capture information beyond simply confirming the legitimacy of the student's access to the content. For instance, the student's email, home address, and similar personal information may also be collected. Alternatively, the CMS might be connected to the database of the school's registrar, whereby student data is automatically supplied to the CMS. Some platforms also enable students to pay for a course, which might be included in the CMS itself or pass through to the organization's online e-commerce system. Typically, access for both teachers and students is rigorously password protected, as password management by a system administrator is an important feature in every CMS. Let's look at a summary of course management systems. Really, a course management system is an online framework to facilitate these three sets of interactions, which are very important in online education. The first is the interaction between the teacher and the student. Second is the interaction between the student and the content. And the third interaction is the interaction between the students themselves. And I hope that you have found at Franciscan University that our online courses have been developed and designed with these three interactions in mind, using Blackboard as the CMS or LMS to facilitate those interactions. This time I'd like to thank you for watching this presentation of Course and Learning Management Systems.